Alright, we're gonna put a load of wood on, and we're gonna scale the studwood pile. It's a little noisy driving the tractor. Going here. First we're gonna check on some critters here. Yeah, the critters all look alive and well. Cows and some calves. Lots to eat. Happy bunch. Couple over there by the woods. Water's not froze. Good start to the day. Before I get going here, I just want to say, look at these beautiful logs. Ash. Nice, straight, jeez. Nice pieces of wood. About 20, that's about 22 from the butt end here. That sucks. Hurt in here. Now, some people might not know how to calculate cordage in a wood pile. Well, I'm gonna show you, I guess, to my best abilities. So I managed to squeeze a load of wood on a pretty looking load of wood. Normally I load my long stuff down and then my shorter stuff up a little, and then the 8-footers I'd top dress it. But so this is our pile of wood we want to scale. Get the sun out of here. Hoping it isn't too painful to watch. Sorry for any wind. That was pretty simple. You need a logger's tape, ideal. Tape measure, knife, pen to paper. You hook on your end. I go a couple logs back. Funny one's thick. $16. 21, 6, and 16. 36. 37, 6. 37.5. I like use 0.5. Now, I'm going to take a step in from the end, measure, and every 2 paces out, measure up. Make sure you're at the bottom of your wood, not the ground. If you got a stringer running that way, make sure you're at the bottom of your wood. This is where the tape measure is handy. 1. 5 feet. Now we're going to go 1, 2, not fall. Bottom of your wood. Now this is rough. This is rough. About 8 feet. We'll call it 8.6 because there is one peaked up there. 8.5. And you are better off if you're measuring to have more than you are left. That'd be 9 foot. Now we're going to go 2 more. 1, 2. Bottom of the wood. 5. Short, we'll take 1. That's 3 feet. Now, go over here for a second. We'll do some math. And if you find this helpful, you could always like and subscribe, and I can try to bring some more videos of doing certain things, or any ideas of videos I could do. You could always comment. So our length. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measurements. And our length is 37.5. But first we need to find our common height. So we're going to go 5 plus 8.5 plus 9 plus 5 plus 3 equals, now we're going to, that's 30.5. So we're going to take and divide that by our total measurements, which was 5. That gives us 6.1. So we're going to take 37.5 times that by 8 foot, this is 8 foot stud wood, and we're going to times that by 6.1. Let's take our 37.5 times 8 times 6.1 equals 1830. Now we'll take that and divide it by our cord, which is 128, 14.29. The truckload holds 16 cord, but I don't want to have 16 on here either. I want to have at least probably a couple more cord to make sure there's that there. And this is rough, of course, but the more measurements you take, the more accurate you're going to be, because you're measuring more of the height of the plow. But this is a rough measurement. Alright, that's a rough scaled plow. And thanks for watching.